Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at the third question from the digital SAT Test 1 Module 1. This is from the Bluebook app. And it tells us that Jay's walking at a speed of 3 miles an hour and running at a speed of 5 miles per hour. He walks for W hours and runs for R hours for a combined total of 14 miles. Which equation represents this situation? Now, in order to solve this question, one thing that you could do is you could pick a value for W and then just, let's say W equals 2. If he walks at a speed of 3 miles per hour for W hours, then it's going to be 3 times 2. And you could figure out the total from that. You could do the same thing with his run speed, with his run number of hours, I should say. Let's say he runs for 3 hours. So in that case, it's going to be 5 times 3. So what did you just do? You did 3 times W, and his total is going to be plus 5 times R. So based on that, you know it's not these answer choices. And then it's a combined total of 14 miles. The correct answer is going to be A. Now, it's great if you just recognize the answer without picking numbers. You could look at this like stoichiometry. So it's stoichiometry. If it's 3 miles per hour, then you've got to multiply by the number of hours. It's times W hours, and then your hours cancel. And so it's going to be 3W. It's another way you could recognize that it's answer choice A. Combined total of 14 miles. It's got to equal 14, not 112. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with this type of a question. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.